Hello everybody. As you know, we had a snowstorm and I'm about to shower up my lawn. This is my very old vacuum cleaner. Bought a new one so I no longer need this. And let's get started. Turn this into a snowblower. So watch this. It's kind of working a bit, but it's not working very good. Look at that, it's also blowing it up towards me. Pretty cool. It's also cutting some grass too. Oh, it's getting clogged up. I don't care. So, I'm not sure if you can hear me very well though. It's a pretty cool DIY thing. Alright, I'm gonna try some more. It's clearing out pretty good. And it's pretty light. So why would you need to buy a snowblower? It's great for lawns too. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna shut it off. It's getting clogged up. And thanks for watching.